but hit it. Fact number 5. Midway check. If these facts blow your mind, smash like and comment your fave cruise stunt. Fact number 5. Ghost Protocol Burj Khalifa climb. 2,717 feet up, Dubai's tallest building. Sucked to window via suction cups. No cables visible. Winds 40 miles per hour. He puked from vertigo but powered through 4 days.